Let's face it, we put a lot of time and effort into our cars, and of course money. And the more we do, the more we're concerned about parking in places. I've got an awesome dash cam and I want to use it for extended parking. But at times, I'm a little worried about my battery. Well, first, if you don't have a dash cam already, check out the 2 videos in the upper right. If you do, I've got another exclusive product from blackboxmycar.com that will allow for up to 48 hours of parking mode recording without ever even taking a sip from your car battery, so stick around. First, I want to thank blackboxmycar.com for sending me this product for free to install and evaluate for you guys. They are one of a very small group of companies that I work with that allow me to speak freely about their products. Most of the items on my channel I purchase out of pocket. If you happen to find my videos helpful, please use the affiliate links in the description below. Your purchases help because big guys like Amazon give me a cut of the profits, which help fund future videos. Another way to help the channel is our merch. We've got exclusive Challenger designs. This one, of course, is my car, but we also have them in stock colors like this. The merch store and discounts are in the description below. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Now, they've been selling battery packs over at blackboxmycar.com for the last 8 years, and they took what they learned along the way to create their own. Here we have the blackboxmycar.com BI-750 battery pack. The BI-750 is thinner and longer, so it's easier to hide than many other brands. A brief review of the specs on paper. When comparing it to the Cellink NEO, it's got 5% more power capacity at 96 watt hours compared to the Cellink's 76.8. This means for a one-channel camera, you're going to get up to 48 hours of parking mode compared to 40 hours with the Cellink. And for a two-channel, you're going to get up to 30 hours of parking mode compared to 25. Now, 48 hours, you're asking yourself, how long does this thing take to charge? Well, we've got a couple of charging options. Included in the box is a simple yet effective power port, aka the cigarette lighter, which you'll get to full charge in 80 minutes. Let's pause right here and talk real world numbers. So for the purpose of this video, I installed it in my car with the slowest charging method, which of course is also the easiest to install. You simply connect it to your power port and use the appropriate output for your camera. So my Blackview has accelerometer based parking mode, which means when the car moves, it goes out of parking mode. When the car sits still, it stays in parking mode. So the simple power port is all I needed. Now let's run through my typical day. I head to work, which is a 15-minute drive. And here we are at 9 a.m. at 100%. Now I head out to lunch at 11:51 a.m. and the battery's at 90%. A quick 8-minute drive. I park for 15 minutes to get lunch and coffee, of course discharging the battery a little bit, and then a quick 8-minute drive back to the office, and I'm back at 99%. Now at 4:13, I hop in the car, head over to a meeting. I arrive 30 minutes later at 4:42 p.m., and I'm back at 97%. At 7 p.m., I head from the meeting to a car meet, and we're down to about 90%. The meet is 30 minutes away. The round trip, which I forgot to take screenshots for, puts me back at 100%. So from here, I parked the car overnight, and 19 hours later, it's at 31%, showing me 9 hours remaining. Doing the math, that puts me at 28 hours, very close to that promised 30 hours. Of course, it's going to vary depending on the camera you have and the amperage draw, but that's pretty good. Now let's say you got to park your car for 8 to 10 to 12 hours, and you have a very short commute home. Also included in the box is the much faster dual charging mode, where you can achieve a full charge in just 40 minutes by using a hardwire connection to 2 accessory ports with the ATA fuses included. Be sure to grab the correct fuses for your vehicle when you make your purchase. Lastly, sold separately, there's a direct battery connection, which will also offer the much faster charging. So let's talk about output options. In the box, you're going to get a power plug. So for cameras like my Blackview with accelerometer initiated parking mode, it's a super simple setup. Just plug it into the power port, connect the camera, stash the box. Now other cams like the Thinkware and the Viofo require hardwire kits that have a battery and accessory wires to initiate parking mode. Don't worry, blackboxmycar.com has thought of that, and you can select the hardwire option you need at purchase. The BI-750 has a Bluetooth app. After a quick and easy connection process, you can monitor things like input voltage, output voltage, amperage, watts, view things like charge times and temperature. You can also adjust settings. You can grab the user manual for both the hardware and the app. And another cool thing to mention, that it's got not one, but two USB charging ports. These can be used to power things like your hotspot for cloud-connected cameras. I also found these USB ports very useful on a recent camping trip when I forgot my power pack. I was actually able to pull the battery out of the car, bring it into the tent to charge our devices. Alright, so to close out this video with my experience, the convenience of parking mode without worry has been awesome. I sent blackboxmycar.com a few suggestions regarding the power switch for those of us who park our cars for extended periods of time. I mean, I can easily reach in the glove box and turn it off, but I'd love to see a bigger or even a remote wired or app-based on-off switch. Otherwise, for the first blackboxmycar.com branded battery, they nailed it. The size, the features, and so far the performance of the BI-750 has been very close to the on-paper specifications. I'll be sure to update you guys in future videos on how the BI-750 performs. If you need more than 48 hours, don't forget you can stack on extended battery packs. So if you're interested in grabbing the blackboxmycar.com BI-750 or the extended battery and want to help out the channel, you'll find my affiliate link and discount code in the description below. At this time, it's got a pretty good discount on it, so you might not be able to stack my code on top. But hey, while you're down there, don't forget to grab some of our merch from the merch store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.